I'm Ferd. Welcome to my workshop. Today I got this old Milwaukee Band saw. It's one of the older ones. Real heavy, but the blade keeps falling off of it. And it cost me about a little less than $75 in parts, but a new one's a little over $400, so they're well worth fixing if you've got one. So let's take this thing apart and let me show you what's wrong with it. Okay, the main problem with this saw is all the parts are wore out over here on the drive wheel. So to take this apart, you got 3 torque screws. I've already got them loose. Those screw into the gear assembly underneath. You'll see that here in a second. Take that off. Then you'll have a little clip like that right there. Take that off. You got a washer. Then your wheel slides off like this. Your gear assembly's underneath, and that just comes off like that, but you can see the threads in there. That's what attaches the wheel to this gear. The teeth on this thing are chewed up really bad, and the chain's getting stuck on it, so we'll put a new one of those on there. And then all the way down on the bottom you've got another washer. These are like plastic or a nylon, and I'm going to replace all 4 of them on both sides of it. And also you want to get you some new tires for it. I've already got these on there. Okay, I'm going to put some new bearings inside of this hub. I got me a big socket. I'm just going to set this over top of the socket like that. I'm going to take me a little center punch with a flat end, and I'm going to go down. There's 2 of them in there, and I'm going to knock one out from this side, flip it over, and then get the other one out. It should come out pretty easy. There it is. This one's 1 inch and 5/16. I'm going to clean the inside of this out and then just tap those things down in there with the hammer. And I guess if you wanted to, you could probably put it in a vise, press them in there. But you're not going to hurt them like that. That goes down kind of flush with the top. If you can see that, you need, and you got it this far, you need to go down a little bit further. It's kind of flush with the top of it. So to do that, I got like a 5/8 inch socket. Kind of fits on there pretty good. And I'm just going to tap it on down in there the rest of the way. And then that's how that backside should look when you get done with it. So the bearings replaced. Got my new gear, new chain. Set that on there. And we got our new washers. We'll drop one of those in there. And the bushings are embedded with their own lubricant, so there's no need to put anything on those. There you go. Turn it until you feel it locked down on there. And you got your other washer, and then we're going to put that clip on it. And then we're ready for this. If you look down in your holes, you can see the threads on the gears. Make sure that those are lined up. And this side's ready to go. It's a good idea to go ahead and put your tires on there while you got this thing off. A lot easier. The other side is pretty much just held on by the clip. There's no gears or anything over here, and make sure your nuts to the springs are still there. A lot of times they'll fall out, and you'll have problems over here with that tensioner. But this one seems to be okay. Okay, I'm going to put a new washer and just slide the wheel on there. Another washer, and then the clip. And then you'll have 3 small Torx head screws that are going to go over here on this side. Okay, I got the new blade on there, and let's see if it falls off. Working good.